I am here to recognize the B.J. Haak Community Service Award winner, who was nominated by the entire Community Ed Advisory Board. This year's awardee is the incomparable Jeannie Lanz, who exhibits these same values in our Community Education Office and the 622 District in so many ways. So, let's count the ways. She's always there to help educate the staff, volunteers, and the Community Ed Advisory Board. Someone described Jeannie as a chat GPT before there was something called chat GPT. I had to look it up too. Here's what a chat GPT is described as: a model which interacts in a conversational way to answer follow-up questions, admits mistakes, challenges incorrect premises, and rejects inappropriate requests. I think someone may have been watching Jeannie in action around the Community Ed office and the district when they came up with this model.
Every office has that one person who binds everyone together. Right away when I started in Community Ed, I realized Jeannie was that person.
I think we all kind of consider her the office mom, even though she hates being called that. But it all comes from like a really endearing place of feeling like she really cares for you and she's genuinely like invested in how you're doing, how she can help you, how we all can like work together to be the most efficient, but also like just be good people surrounded by good people. I think that's really important to her.
Jeannie is one of the most dedicated and devoted people I know in her work with community education. She always goes above and beyond to help anyone with anything. Everyone adores her.
I worked with Jeannie the entire time that she was in the Community Ed department up until my retirement. And I will say there is nobody more deserving of this award than you, Jeannie. And you are the person that knows everything. You know every coordinator's job, and you can help us all out with whatever questions we have. You just know where everything is located, where to find the reports, who to talk to in administration if we need to. You're the go-to gal.
Anytime we need anything, we know we can call Jeannie. If we don't know who to call or what to do, we go to Jeannie.
What would Jeannie do? Is kind of our motto, because she's kind of the glue that holds Community Ed together.
Jeannie's just always been such a rock of stability. Any question I have, she's always there with the answer and always willing to help. She never looks down on anybody for not having the answers. She's just always with a positive attitude, wanting to help, whether it's figuring out a budget question or figuring out who to talk to. She's always there, always the epitome of professionalism, and has just been a great coworker.
Jeannie is the person who is 622. She's been here and knows all the ins, the outs, the ways in which things work. She tells me what days are holidays so that I don't report to work on those days.
She is always willing to take time to listen to you, ask you illuminating questions to help you reach your own conclusion, as well as ask you to look at a situation from all sides. She may even suggest a different way to frame a question so you won't create more problems than you intend. Some might say that she has a Dr. Lucy desk that you can come to at any time, and you don't even have to have a roll of nickels to get the wisdom of Dr. Jeannie. And you best believe, whatever you tell her, it isn't going anywhere else. When you realize Jeannie has been in the Community Education Office for over 30 years, it's a testament to how much she loves the department and its people. She is the quiet presence that is always there, ready to recount the institutional history, to give a ready answer, and help in whatever capacity is needed. She has supported at least 3 different directors at Community Education during their transitions and through the day-to-day work. She has educated countless Community Education Advisory members and made allies throughout our district. When we asked people, what are some of Jeannie's traits in the office? And among the many who responded, these are just the summary of who they said Jeannie is. She is detailed, a consummate professional, an excellent stacker of papers, loyal, trustworthy, but most importantly, kind.
I feel so fortunate to work alongside Jeannie. Community Ed is better because of her.
Congratulations, Jeannie. You truly deserve this award. I can't thank you enough for everything that you do for me. You are my right hand, my left hand, my feet, and I couldn't do this job without you. You give so much, and I just can't put it in words how much I appreciate you. So congratulations.
Her friend BJ, for whom this award is named, would be cheering on this honor for the woman who may love community education as much, if not more, than BJ herself did. Jeannie, in case you didn't know, we love you. We honor you, and we say, well done, you. Congratulations, and thank you for being our little bit of magic in the Community Education Office and throughout our district.